Go dé mar a
Hey,
tapú, Liam. Argan
why?
tú inta mai ar máidí. Cé mé rá.
Yes, tá mé bhád níos éidir me inniu. Yes, yes.
Tá a chrí níos éidirm a tatú rá.
Ag acrad níos éidir me. Tá mé ar me léhan de sire agus bhí mé Bacio. Bacio is sráidhile costra guaige Biscaya agus bhí cuaig le íbhín óginne ó just céintach.
Dé an sef bhí sé bheith surfáil na ró.
Well, bhí me se ag deanna píosa surfáil. Tá bhí cuid na daoine eile an sin den vintage contrailte den surfáil ach rinmuid chuid snáil chéile agus just ag siúlthart agus ag ihe agus ag gáil agus níocha níúid ag go deachta chéile le tamú mar sin so bhí sé jazz agus ag buú le cairde agus ruí mar sin.
Agus go dé mar bhí an eisce ró sé fearr ná.
Bhí mé isteach just instant togs ar an bhhart sílam. Nuí lecra loch lí togs agus
Lecra loch lí lecra.
Like my lecra loch lí lecra.
Lecra loch lí lecro speedos.
But yeah, bhí sé fearr. But tá so good Colin Chintis Jack Neshka Dear Colin the port or wherever you're at in Ireland August the dish pilot that she projected that she fear and then a couple of bumps your body just becomes numb to all sensations and you just accept your fate and you get on with you know
and Shannon dói Rowan Teshka and Shan
aye but new be she new she go there so we should peaceable me spar but for
your V-Mace is one and Saurishi Heart agus Mace Mediterranean hajakula me a chreid while being Teshka castle warm bath
Mediterranean well Mediterranean be she needs chaw
aye
like iarriadh group iske Bacio shape or Harvey be she fearr but I'm not a bhí on Saoirlí go sé intach fearr san air Dear Conán agus sé intach fearr in san airige we just can't get comfortable. But no, hatin sé have to say hatin sé an rud faoi na tre sin an ganniuh tá farige féchwer I don't know what it is but tá farige féchwer na cinneal trana atá ní bhíon níú an tra fada níú when bhí na dunes agus ní could wear sandbanks on agus bhí an fucking tontaí féchwer Jesus bhí na tontaí féchwer so go isteach ahar atá písa bug ní sinne just a géirí lapatá agus é ní sinne you know and then this big wheel coming and knocking them back that's
and run na tontaí mai don surfáil
V like Jacker Dusa mar bon olmór tá bon olmór a tam fada ach fear mé déis mé a cuairlia cara agin yeah fear mé únseúr ún scoil seo uratán Basque surfing uratán agus bhí sé sin go maiid bhí sigin sin tú gafra a bhí me sé deanna contrailte agus sílam cabbé únseúr a ghlaic mu dinne mar grúpan nó rimme se ceachtar óhain lom híon blasa níú na muintúirí mai a chorbe sé sin bhíon scoil seo go maiid céim rá so mu spéisiú go surfing dhéanana go Bacio uratán
go maiid thula mé fásta bhí íon bog ag intiadú go raibh data beag agat ar na moileamh.
Bhí data bogum in Bilbao agus the traffic beautiful. The sounds of nature are really pleasing to my ear. Four-wheeled animal that is the truck. Yeah, the data will go well. Which is the Samuel, the data and mBasca hugum, very urban Basque experience as opposed to my tranquil rural existence in Zagama, especially the Samuel. Yeah.
Higlam and gra aichelt the Julia.
Oh, yes. Sorry, no, that's my glaucoma. But no, we see in that Samuel, who would get Shaktarnia and Follitul, a kind of political punk Basque bar, like in Shaw, like could word in a fashions of this, in a style in a more kind of political expression. Or well, nothing to soil you. Like at home, a Fenian wears a gat top, and the other equivalent would wear a Rangers top. I don't know, you know. So basically, in style iarriadh had the tracksuit the drama wine with style iarriadh had tracksuit the drama ella. But in Shaw, it's like you wear crazy hair. It goes into the hairstyle, it goes into piercings, it could get her those tattoos. Agus you know, Kinnell Cafe Rahadga and Kinnell Chak Tavernia Rahadga, not just the Gulga Chak Tavernia Basca, no Chak Tavernia Spainnis. Maar Neil just Spainnis and the Spainnis in the Basquion. Leftist, that socialist, that communist, shot other and dram etchaclay. There's like three, you know, and then to leftist Spainnis on the Spainnis, leftist Basca. So who is she again? Chak Tavernia area shop, she's the similar, some Kinnell cuardú and okay. The similar. Aye. Just it was a nice wee dip into the urban pond for the day. Pretty good. I haven't told you anything about my date. I'm not going to, but nice
he'll make a rimmer to Scrabble and we'll cardugum.
Remember what Jesus Jimmer was clay into Scrabble.
For a couple of 5-6 letter words and where?
Nearly went for the 8, but overstretched.
Yeah, overstretched. Taking one's your bad.
Be she sassed that is near it.
Shouldn't run us talk. Go on. Hey, an bhecan go dé tá scríte ar ma tíléine. Beidir nach bhecan.
Seo ceann you a chum tú hin?
Na. For me ag an Jerry Shocknet.
Alum dance transit van. Oh, transit van.
Calm dance transit van.
Calm dance transit van.
Neck me into it. Fun. Bhecan do sin?
Oh my god, unreal.
Yeah, it's spitting diesel T-lane, Calm down.
And D from Stornoway Town. Very good. Be coming in that in Kilcorn. And it's done looked in a million to what Pete and Diesel Munner Hulshit Umrar.
It's Banna Kill iad o Stornoway in Alban. It's through Ardini. Then you're in Wax a Kill, then you're in the drummy agus and lead singer / guitarist agus Dan siad like she can you call like punky ach ceann siad faoi seals na Helen agus tá píosa bug galach na Halban faite fuchas na Horan agus tá siad ar dóid agus tá siad granar fásta.
You see the Costa like Saw Doctors meets our generation and that. What also
Saw Doctors, yeah.
Just don't give a fuck. Like Tashi their doy. Very small town as well. They don't care. They don't mind that.
Yeah.
Agus this fisherman it is iskeri or ear iskeri.
Ciondana dini is iskera agus in Danya Ella Shilam Plumber. Agus in Danya Ella a lorry driver ná rud cosla sin.
Imi gur ceannach in a shepherd. That's
Well,
class.
beidir Kiri acu like fásta.
Maybe I'm wrong, but yes, that's class. That's class, lad. Agus an quote no sketch war on like can you lock down?
Skafte Brown, during go tríchi a daine ná mar sin an agus ach an rud granar faoi. Bhí me sé gol agus bhí mé dream go mé like an cineo scafte bhecin tú ag kilcurm kneecap nó rud like the sort of Irish crowd, the Gaeilgeoir crowd. Ach during go 2/3 na daine Albany. But Albany iad like
in Willie Clear.
Aye, sin rud nach bhecin tú rá bhannic go máile clia like daine as an
Never thought about it before, but agus would you lord ní clennen tú mór gohanna Albany an Willie Clear. No am not for iste.
Ach an rud faoi bhí scafte for ní sinne just os cór an státe agus ach an siad Pete Diesel ó Alban. So like octar, like these sort of diehards agus we should ag Lanston Pete Diesel heart temple na tira like
Kin isio P and D in ish.
Derhens na tragedy like beidir Lewis tragedy.
Piece of Virginia Virginia.
Idir cúg blian no mar sin ní sinna. Agus comáile sin bhí scafte an stagdú fásta.
Deadly. Certainly go to P&D mar stagdú.
Yeah. But dé sé inta Your bhí sé ceol Western Isles nach ceann na horn sin you're a luúin sé na
That's the way we do it in the Western Isles.
Everybody was going mad like you're a luúin sé on Sky no bara no atir being sin be.
See man, it's problem sa winter in the Gaeltachta in Alban. Shannon Sherma you said there a charge na Highlands na Gareth Crecha in Alban the gra character in the Gaeltach there in Gaelic mar shin limister in Gaelic the tradition that own like Ottoish Jager no in the Irish Jag K nach well and the Gaelic be all in country war a war in the Cantersham. But in Rudbury winter in the Gaeltach they are fucking proud of the Highlands. They will follow it everywhere. Agus dan shit in the Banach all should get it. It's fucking deadly. But le Jack Kofada the Heron shouldn't similar.
Yeah.
I wonder RST real Runrig
and jest.
They're like our parents' generation of P&D.
Yeah.
And they're rock and they're also got that small town sort of don't care, but it's a wee bit more like that 80s got that 80s polish to it, that 80s sheen to it or something, you know.
Yeah, but Tashi someone there luúin tú Runrig agus Pete Diesel bhí mé just ag cuardú rudí ar go faoi Pete Diesel agus an galach just to fight amach go bhíad acu a loran agus bhí daine ónig deanna comparáid idir Pete Diesel agus Runrig agus dúirt siad go léironn sé math na teanga like an dóigh bhfuil a ro na hóran ar fad in Gaelic ag Runrig ach beidir go bhfuil coppla focail catch isteach an or an Pete Diesel like dearann siad beidir like current siad scadan isteach an or an a wine agus córacail ach bhí sé
brandy in the Ari very much
aye but just he'll make the roast sin samo.
Well, it's a fear like you know fear because it's several good jig like tan kyo go goni event tan kyo al gilach goni go of a ledger a gulter na halvani balach nachwal and kyo gilach ledger a gulter na heron like for a come all ye like hokulish na halvani in the Gareth Creha chunty your own Gaelig master at Bhriste because they all join in Whereas in Erin, we're not so fay with Irish language songs. We sort of got stuck into the English ballads very, very early on in our history.
Agus tarlan sin leis na Albany fiú mana bhfuil an Gaelic acu.
That's what I mean. Nadini nachhol sast and Gaelic you said you can sin doya culture. They love the Gaelic singing. Nadini on the Gaelic nach Lorty and Gaelic, but can't he shade in Gaelic? So they show me land the Gilgorion and Amity in Alban. Because that's the kenche merle tan nadini oga a vrin a merle. Ach spralo ve canu in Gaelic.
Does he samo?
It's weird. It's pure weird. I don't get it. Nee, ik me harde. Is je jacker en Miona Higbal. Kijk me kudwoor ama an Alban stick scéal tactin sin agus is jacker en Miona Higbal.
Like Beiger Nakwo like Beiger go si costal just in dói a lérian shit and culture costal in dói an Emrian dini an shaw a maniacht ach ni lord si ni vel samaku sa Gaelic ach Beiger go
Tasamaku sa Gaelic con is weird. Tashin the broader sa Gaelic was in Merle Jerhid that we're really worried because the language is dying. But I'm and then you hear that Neil should brew in Changa. Just like current she could word Ramni current dini like current shot in Yakil tech and Aaron no one else current dini locked there in realtis not on realtis like Johnny Galore. Acta so no bell first show because I just had my word like the most successful Irish speaking places don't depend on the realtis or her but you know literally Johnny Shaw Majindy Kench big Johnny Kenchik woman Kenching Illig few months tattoo Johnny go chin cash step real Trinis Nachanga but like just heave the Bjork Nachanga because yeah usage but yeah but tagging shin la shilling get tagging shin the tacky act because iarriadh you get a wee bit more relaxed and depend on the go. But sure, could you jiggle? Anyway, shin cash that cool. We try to avoid home, so deal about it wine as much as possible. But Tashi Bruna, definitely. Samuel, which you're into this so right.
Gone out. But ni harume against that fi na huisfions fi sienta samo so ta karatí ag bogu on tach in you. Agus tá meise agus dúirt ag láraigh Daniel den teach so an teach an seo chuir mé suas ar Facebook like an marketplace agus lad aberlum ceviad daoine a dragra an post tívistí de trí lá a géirí Shamra.
Kega.
Kiad Fihani.
Wow.
Yeah. Wow. Agus on maid shan vi birch as Aaron. Yeah.
Then your VS Toulouse.
Harrow. Aaron Dower.
Aaron Drocher, Colin.
Yeah. Shouldn't be engaged to that. You're forgotten. Your unrealized French love affair.
Unrealized romance.
No,
I realized it. She never did. I realized it.
But
that's mad.
Rainy meise like achter beidir le goal agus an teach échaid. So just feck me daoine go randomach bhí mé rá like fearr as Chile, but bhfuil an bulla le fearr as Chile. Agus sé sin ag an teach céal fearr as Paraguay
You're just like, I want to meet these people. They might be interesting. So you're from Derry. That's boring as fuck. The three-legged man from Somalia? Yes.
Far as Colombia, far on Island Canary, Spain.
Yeah.
So we can granar Hannick and far as Canary Islands. Agus bhí sé tímuid den teach ar an tíhil den stráid, agus bhí beirt eile like sort of tíhír dá, agus Hannick sé sin ag an teach an agus lean an beirt seo é, and I was like, cé hiad? And iad seo daine a chur teachtar chugam, and somehow found out that we were having viewings today. I was like, darling. Agus ach Hannick and fearr seo isteach sa teach agus dúirt sé I don't have much English, my two friends here to help, agus dúirt me sé no te preocupes, hablo un poco de español. Agus las a Julia is like,
says he, this is meant to be.
agus bhí sé ach an canhaint atá aige dír sao. Bhí sé thar a bheith deacrachtaí heagmhail in Spanish a Lord siad sa the Canaries. So bhí sé rá rodí lom and I was like, sí, tienes razón. Agus bhí Hannick a bhirt cardias teach fásta chun ar bhas Mexico dá. And bhí mé Lord leis a bhí mé rá. So tá dúlagam ceoltar Mexicánach Ed Maverick, tú dúirt me sé leis. ¿Te gusta Ed Maverick? Dúirt sé, ¿quién? Ed Maverick. El persona más famoso en México. He's like, oh, no sé quién es. And then he was bhí sé a chuirdú ar Google. I was like, oh. Caime éisteach leis.
Like, do you not feel your word increasing by tenfold whenever you show people how to be more Hispanic?
Let me
are you appropriating their culture? Is this we have to have a talk on?
Yeah, let's have a serious talk here for a second.
Hey, just log out. We have to talk. Yeah. Okay, Conán, we'll stop appropriating cultures from my folks.
Let's go. And then yes, Mexico atá géisteach len galam díobh nach darlaí seo a ríist tá fearr brón am a chrí as an méid atá deanta go.
Níl jarcu gomhaid nó agad ar Ed Maverick no just completely neutral. That's class though. And we'll to go on the dini shot around on the basis that you practice your Espanol.
Van ganenche me dat in Darnala. So in Darnala Hannick fearr bhain as bailachí agus in Darnala Hannick fearr as an column agus fearr in the jazz a bhí an in the cardio agus gacrod agus bhí me like to fearr seo Huckle am a bheith cardio leis an jaar seo agus and agus in dhé seo Hannick fearr as Paraguay ciidir dú buú le fearr as Paraguay agus sianta granar. So bhí sé rá are there any rules in the house? Any rules in the house? And I was like, no, níl. Agus dúirt sé an tiglum ban a thuirtarás go a cheamra. I was like, Kencha, thig. Agus dúirt sé an féidirlum fearr a thuirtarás go a cheamra. Agus dúirt me sé. Thig leat an bhíthe thuirtarás go a cheamra mas smáil agus bhí sé céine.
Radiators were open house.
Capel.
Like shit, ní bhéh fucking uchta thugam san a céisna sin a chur.
Sin mutir America has just and dafar a bhí on your hanach siad isteach sa teach I compra just na daoine ón éireann. Like the daoine ón éireann maithíonn tú in ceanneil cold. Not coldness, but there's a sort of there's a gap between you and them. Ach, leis na muintir Americanach has like just be and car just like they admitted this sort of friendliness.
That should che.
Yeah.
Like, I mean warm. Like they're warm. Yeah. That should.
There's paldum like ten and balak like iarriadh siad farraga níos éasci. Agus yeah.
Ben tá sin le cíal actually nar swinnim sa siar ar daoine atá aithne go mór they can light up fairly quickly and then they go back to normal very quickly as well.
Aye. But sa Jerry who may leis an jaar seo as tíochánna well hana tíochánna rugú é an Alban bog sé go tíochánna agus é ág so tá sé sin I ghlacu an seomra.
He's got a very good CV already. He's got a good curriculum.
Yeah, a rare begging do text a car hag na daoine eile agus why sé costal le what's she costal le text a car was so good hand break up but near tattoo an goal better 3 data le ban agus just main tú nachhol sé goal at your be and you're like Beidr and Rud as far as cur text jazz hickey you know I'm just not in the right place to go win any more dates at the minute. Agus scrío me sé it was lovely to meet you. Smiley face.
I hope you find someone you really deserve a good you deserve a good vice mate.
I hope you find someone who appreciates you.
That's unreal. It might be your best way yet.
But again, I'm Kieran. But while I'm bully listen,
can we still be friends? I really think we can.
That's what I want to say. So I don't tell me here.
What's his name? Jake, I never did he as Mexican.
No, Sean Farrell's Colombia. Wolfgang.
I know I said that we shouldn't live together, but I was thinking, why can't we be friends? You want to get a coffee and we'll have some.
Should have told me yeah, but Neil saw him die the screen. I was like,
Yeah, the Amogili can first you know.
Dúirt sé nachho mór na tá cé gur bhog sé go gidóir níl cé gur sé rá cheanna gan am le bhí sé 10 bliain d'aois.
Yeah. You must have a really winning personality. The Roy Ugat either in Béarla agus in Spanish. It was one Spanish. It went in Béarla. Okay. This man must be very special. Must be very special. Into way. August
Tá méid mo ceanta chana féin.
You could have, get your apology text ready for the man from Colombia.
Sure me text like a Hannafin or will it scream me go let me that
yes.
Okay that's
did you like from the breakup text to Leo Mac?
Should I Yanni mate hey Wolf pretty much Kyo Bronx Coran show So
okay, yes, that's going in 1, 2, 3 killed man.
Hi Wolfgang. Sorry, a friend from home just got in touch with me and he is taking the room now. I joke him an iarriadh Sorry about that. It was nice meeting you. Smiley face.
Which smiley face? The like fake smiley face or the genuine?
Like and ceannacht is bonusy just and my current two is Jack and colon agus and bracket. Yeah.
Oh, you fucker, you bastard. That's like sorry. Oh, you bastard.
August.
Worse. That's worse than the upside down smiley face. That's almost a.
That could have been Nero. Okay, August. Her sé ar ais thugam. Her sé ar ais thugam. Oh, don't worry. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you too.
I know where you live.
Nice to meet you too, smiley face.
And I know where you live.
August, we may get around this. Jiglum the Everide, better good Jiglum Bululakila, Markard.
I really need a friend right now. I don't need a roommate, but I could do with a friend.
Your Vishek Fagel and Fagel tea. Dirty Marvin what you Spanish Lakila, August Dirty. If I don't get the house, we can still meet up to practice Spanish. I was like, Dora along.
Weird, but great. You should really look, because you need to say you said you Spanish from when you play it.
Have him.
There has to be a population of like at least 50,000 Spanish-speaking people in Dublin.
Has she done crazy like if you may like but while I'm sure Yanni I hadn't shocked him just let so does go make it clacked him out Spanish and let
just let it on. Just get a couple of shots and you let on. We're having a house. Show him your room. I changed my mind.
Just you're a dirt mesh of Vichy de Glutch Béarla ar fe couple of bommacha agus mar hapla faras Paraguay dirt sé Vichy and here and Tolaga dirt sé I would talk more man but I don't have much English agus Jonty mesh agus dirt me hablo un poco español. Nenis lasna I sus agus hasíon sé
magic words.
Agus fáim
hablo un poco español.
Fáim and friggin and endorphins.
Yeah. Hold on. This is what you do. I've got it all planned out. Got it. It's just one minute. You're gonna put up another ad and a couple of shackney, and when you feel like you got that need, but like when you feel the need just to have a wee bit of a dalliance, romantic word, you go on Tinder and try and find something. You go onto the Facebook Marketplace, put your room up for rent, and say you're conducting interviews first. They never see the house. They come to the house like, yeah, go for a wee walk down here and you just talk to them about your interests and maybe we'll go in for a cafe here. One to the guys that conducting the interview. When will we see your room? That's more like a third day interview sort of.
We're not at that stage. Dun cadry. Gushay.
I don't think it's gonna work out. You can do it. So a multi-goal ability then you should reach and then you offer a hook and offer a cards.
Boy lam Neil Sugum. Jamer Heglam maar iarriadh.
What?
Go trasna and droihead sin of between potential tenants agus potential cara.
I understand. It's a hard one to cross, why Níl muid in abal an orí sin lá seo cinneal mBasca an mochúcháin.
Yeah, tá you jacker. Just dredging.
Just don't play Scrabble. Just don't play Scrabble. Just keep it purely coffee and chats. Maybe a wee bit of handball. And we'll take a photo. Yeah, we're handball. No, is that purely off season?
Haniel chan off season. Da me nuair atá an amaniacht amar tugam níl an drachar níon léhróid lava. So ach is moile me. An éirí lat an pelota amar go sé a lá.
Never. Not gonna happen. This to well, near Australia Martis Kjart, but Neil really an urge and do trill with chess until I actually put it. I don't know that. Again Jerry Shackney be beginning going Gary go agree no I can no Anish seems like I mean just a gat Jerry Shackney show up and go good actually a cost back you or fucking Madrid no Kibirod. No Nice Monica anyway. Then I'm sure Gary
No Bilbao Badger.
It's possible. It's possible.
It's possible.
Remember Sir Rudder
It's the truth that Jay?
Huh? I used to real like Spanishism or Basquism in my English.
It is the truth that I like I like Sagam.
It is I did two things. I said it is true to my parents. And I'm really embarrassed about this because nobody, anybody, all the millions listening will get it, but like I'm always correcting my students on different things, and I said and I was criticizing how much they say and like that.
Darren said Gamunich yeah, the car dog.
That's a an elevator at Chain Sus could be bar of crook and you can see the gamma and the church and everything.
That's him.
Took them up there last night and I says, and like that you have the church. Literally went, oh no.
Shouldn't a good honor.
Nobody understand. But yeah, it was funny and sad.
Back one Mudge Birch.
Yes, Rahim to me go Bilbao a reached found you Cliste, Scrabble, Fearr and Liam.
Scrabble and Liam. Think of mine. August
yes.
Me to níos muinní go bhí tú focail ocht or go bhí tú 8-letter word and
Can we glacu couple of mile the letter how long? Lower on behind you focail or no onomatopoeia no ligin constellation.
Second. Hey, bhí tú gra goríoirí leat Spainnis nó Bascais úsid shoppa den chéidir rio. Mochú. Pretty much claps the run shot.
That's like the benchmark after 6 months of language learning. There you go, Liam, your couple of focal badge.
Do Jay more hardly.
You must shake seconds. And can you shop direct, shop direct when you 80, I must shake second chile bug my shavy out of dtír and
self-loathing.
Self-loathing and yeah, just general misery, I suppose. No, but yeah, that should all go order accounts to be a shoppy and like an idiot. So we go shop a brogá mar and actually having to talk to them about UK sizes and Irish sizes and Spanish sizes.
Deacar.
We missed, yeah, because I'm in mBasca or Google produce so it's beer and couple of the history and do it in a app. Agus
Arúm tú sa Spanish ná sa Bascais na fág.
Hosí me in Spanish because nuair agams is a gamma claims and mochúcháin go learn claims in níos mó Spanish so was Just moim sa bomanta go lorn or orm sa mBasca le dinne nach bhaid neagam orthu.
Tá néir ag teacht leat Tá an néire airnach sin ag teach leat ón íle go dtí an mBasca.
Súla. So, bhí me sé steach agus thosaigh in Spainnis leihí. Just bhí me sé tháinig me sin brog seo hatin si lom agus chuir me sé céistarthaí ba haine rudigh hart fa méid is rudigh hart fa méid 10 a cúig 10 a sé. I literally said the number.
46.
And then we should cancer in Spanish. Is like, see. She said, "Nor a Jewish man ever did." She's like, Un momento. And she went in. She came out with 45.
Yeah.
She weighed about 10 minutes. Apparently, people have much smaller feet here. So she's way good while. She came back with 45 and it was just way too small. My feet are large. Agus, must say, went through us and Hannick says, Dahri me Gian Uskara or Hula me e kench in baskets. Yeah. Why didn't you speak to me in Basque? So
Should I dirt see that?
No. I heard her speaking in Basque.
Right. Agus an ro intasar hí ar Lord tú leihí an mBasca.
It was a mix of things. Dirt me sé leihí listen brogá. I was like Hishkebat and Diago. Agus dirt she woof. No. She's like impressed, but no.
Gra gurú tú gur Lord tú Bascish leis an bhain seo agus gur sí no.
Oh yeah, it is. And then no. So I just said so no. I said none at all. She says no. And then she looked at she showed me like the list of sizes and everything. And she was like, So then I just was looking at all these shoes and I started pointing at brands and I pointed at Adidas and she's like, no. I said, Nike? She says, no. I went through them all. And then I came to Puma and I said, Puma? And she says, it's possible. And I pointed at this Puma and she's like, no. And then I pointed at the one shoe. There was a shoe that I looked at and I was like, no, I do not want this shoe. This is the shoe I do not want. Have you ever gone into a shop and looked at one shoe? A shoe catches your eye because you know that is not the shoe for you.
Take it.
I was like, it was like a fucking Destiny or something. I pointed at this shoe and I says, this one already done. And she's like, see, bye. yes. And she got it. Yeah, she got it. So that's the shoe I got. These are the sneakers. These are the sneakers.
Ah, tá sé jazz galore, lad.
And that's lovely for you to say. Really reassuring. You don't have to say that. I know we're partners in an up and coming successful podcast. Anyway, sin Jerry and scéal. It wasn't very.
Agus sin Jerry and Claire Foster.
Sin Jerry and Claire. All the ups and downs. Tasúil go gur text an lá jazz sin to do an coffee.
Yeah. Mata Molly or big then your B. So I could juckalum Cara Ayanu.
Conán, I'm going to tell you something. Bit of advice. See this playing hard to get nonsense. Doesn't work. Be upfront, be iarriadh, show them you're a nice guy and that you just want to be a good friend.
Sin an deacrachtaí Liam and you.
For me to you, Conán. But and I'm sure gallant and you.
Into jazz.
sé go a bheith a céan. Good Friday inniu, so ná igi ha baracht fiúil agus tá procession, like a religious kind of procession where they whip themselves and carry effigies and stuff in Segura.
Could will to go.
They're whipping me. They're whipping me. I have to wear leather and stuff like that. You know. Anyway, chef and me shiv agus more.
Anna